Hey, welcome to the show. Check this out. This is the new armor box for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and this armor box is from iBlason. I've been using this phone for over a year right now, and I have the Whitestone dome glass protector on it, and you can see that it's a very perfect fit with this iBlason case right here. And I've just been super happy with it. Like I said, this is the Whitestone dome glass protector, and I did drop this phone, and you'll notice that there's a little split right here on the Whitestone dome glass protector right here, but I didn't feel I need to replace it. It does come with two screens, and so I'm just going to keep that right there. But take a look at this beautiful case. I feel with this armor box from iBlason and the Whitestone dome glass protector, it's going to really protect your Galaxy S24 Ultra. I've been using this type of setup on all of my phones. Right now I'm filming with the Galaxy S25 Ultra with the same type of setup. I really like this blue color from iBlason. You'll notice that it has a ring right here. That is MagSafe compatible, so if you have a magnet like this in your car or something like that, it's going to attach to it and it's going to hold on to it really strong. Take a look at this. This is another feature I just love about this iBlason phone case. It protects your camera lens, so you can open this up and just this is kind of like a softer felt material right here, and it really does a great job on protecting your camera lens there. You'll also notice there's a nice high beveled edge right here, so if you're going to keep this open, you don't have to worry about scratching your camera lens because of that high bevel. And this door right here, when you move it, it stays in place. It's not going to wiggle around. And it also acts as a kickstand for your phone. See, that's kind of a cool feature. And then when you're done using it, you just push this in, and then kind of a little click right there. Here are the buttons on the iBlason phone case right here, and I really like the buttons. Very squishable. And then you have kind of a rubber edge here with a non-slip grip, and then of course you have that high beveled edge around the top of your screen right there. Again, you're not going to have to worry about scratching your lens. Right here, these are like extra bumpers, like really big beefy bumpers, so that if you do drop this phone with that added protection, here you have a little slot for a lanyard, and then on the bottom right here you have this little door right here. You can protect your port, so that's really a nice feature. Here is the slot for the pen tool, so it's easy access for the pen tool, just like that. Pull that out. When you're done using it, put that in there. I just love I don't know if you can see this in the camera, but just that beautiful blue is just really shining, and silver right here, just a great combination. So again, I've been using this phone for over a year right now, and I've taken it to the ocean, hiking, a lot of extreme sports, and like I said, I dropped it once, really good on the concrete, and just that little split right there, but did not affect the original screen underneath it. So and when you buy a Whitestone dome glass protector, they're going to give you two of them. So I just figured I'm not going to use the other one quite yet. You can barely see that split right there. Look how it kind of just covers. It goes around. It's like a camera cutout, goes around there. When you do install the Whitestone dome glass protector, I feel it's an easy process. You got to be careful and make sure you have everything leveled and dust free. Look at that right around here. So when you do put that on, it's not going to pop up when you put your phone case on. So this case really is a great add-on, and with both of these, it's going to be super protection for your phone. Wouldn't have anything else. Again, this is the iBlason Armor Box. Here's what it's going to come in, like there. Here's the S24 Armor Box. Love it. All right, talk to you later. Hey, make sure you check out the other videos. I got a lot of other review videos on iBlason, the S25 Ultra. Take a look. Hey, have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.